Hello EVGRAY members, this is another video made by me, and now I'm wiring the PMDC outrunner's actual stator. I'm wiring it in multi-phase configuration, and I will try to film some of the steps which you have to go through to wire to extend these wires so you can later hook them on your diode plug circuits. As you can see, I have advanced a bit. I have quite some wires here, but I thought I'd stop a bit and show you how to do this. So I have multiple wires next to my onions in the kitchen. They're cut to the exact length. As Hector said, all wires must be the exact length, same length, and as much as possible they have to be as short as you can get, and no soldering or such. Well, when you deal with high power, you want to have a very good electrical connection, so that's why I thought, well, crimping is the best option you can get. Okay, let me see. You have this wire, which is double wire. I don't know if you can see it. It's double wired speaker wire, the best one I could get. It has a fairly good insulation on it. I don't know how to hold this phone and film myself during the splitting of the cable, but I will try. Oh, damn it. So you have the cable, and you start cutting it in two with the X-Acto knife, and then you split it into like this, and now you have two independent wires. Then it is good if you have tools, as I do. They make your work pretty damn fast. You have to unwire, not un wait, what's the correct term? I haven't spoken English in quite some years, and I find it very hard to speak again. So you take this baby boy and you grip it here, and then you press on it. This is an automatic wire stripper, and the end result will look like this. Nice and shiny. Okay, I'll do the same for the other wire, only I won't film it again because it's a pain in the ass. So now you have two wires, and then it is good to twist these ends, these multi-strands, twist them together so you avoid the unfurling of the whole bunch when you insert them into the crimping end. You will see what I'm talking about in just a few seconds. As you can see, all the wires are crimped, and for this you have to use something like this. I don't know if you can see it, my camera is really really crap, but it's a copper or solder. Well, it's not actually solder, it's copper with solder on top. It's like a miniature tube which you insert it here like so, and then wait, I have a bunch of wires here and I'm almost hanging myself into them. So this is the wire end with the crimping tube, and then you press it here onto the wire you want to. Wait a bit, it slipped away. Put this back. Right, so you press the end of the wire with the crimping, I don't know how you call it, crimping stuff on it, and then you press it on the other copper wire end of the coil, which is fairly solid, so you can press it fairly easy. And now I have to spin this whole stator, and you match. Wait, let me show you. This plier has a vise for every wire size. You match the crimping end with the proper jaw, well, with the proper segment of the jaw of this plier, and then you place it in that segment, and then you press and release. Of course, my plier is Chinese made, so I'll have to unblock this crimped end from its jaw because it's stuck. Wait just a second. Okay, so now it's crimped. As you can see, I have really poor light and poor filming quality, but I guess you can see it. It's here. It's an extension of the original coil from this actual stator. It was a DC motor rotor, but now I have converted it into a stator. Okay, and you do the same for all the wires. Just one more thing. In order to find which ends of the coil you have to crimp, you have to extend, it is good to use a multimeter with a continuity tester function. So you set your multimeter on the continuity tester function, and then you place your probes on one end of a coil, and then you check on each and every wire. As you can see, these wires have nothing to do with my other wire. Only one will make the continuity tester beep, which indicates that is the other end of the coil. Hello everybody, this is a quick update about my PMDC outrunner build. As you can see, I have already started after crimping these wires to the ex-rotor coils. I have already started isolating them with heat shrink tube. So I have separated these two wires, then insert a heat shrink tube on each other, then tie them together with uh, I don't know, isolating tape or masking tape, I don't know the proper terminology. And after that I took the heat blowing gun and heat shrink them on each crimped terminal on each wire. Fortunately, I have ran out of heat shrink tube, and I'll have to wait until next week until I have enough spare time to go and buy some. And well, step by step, bit by bit, I am advancing with it, and I will keep you posted and updated. Okay, bye bye.